I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the Ubisoft Game Launcher error code 2 for Splinter Cell Conviction. First, verify your game file integrity through the Ubisoft Connect client. This ensures no corrupted files are present. Next, run Ubisoft Connect as an administrator to grant it all necessary permissions. Finally, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall to check if they are interfering with the launcher's operation. These initial steps often resolve many common issues quickly and efficiently. Moving on, let's check your network and compatibility. Ensure your internet connection is stable and not experiencing any packet loss, which can disrupt game services. Update your network drivers to their latest versions for optimal performance. Also, try running both the game and Ubisoft Connect in compatibility mode for an older Windows version, such as Windows 7 or 8. This can sometimes bypass compatibility issues with newer operating systems, allowing the game to launch smoothly. If the previous steps haven't worked, a clean slate might be necessary. Completely uninstall both Ubisoft Connect and Splinter Cell Conviction from your system. After uninstallation, manually delete any remaining game files or folders to ensure a thorough removal. Crucially, clear the Ubisoft Connect cache by navigating to its installation directory and deleting the cache folder. Then, reinstall everything. This process often resolves deep-seated issues by removing corrupted data. For persistent issues, consider these advanced steps. Check for conflicting background applications that might interfere with the launcher. Close any unnecessary programs. Performing a clean boot of your operating system can help isolate the problem by starting Windows with only essential services. If the error still persists after all these efforts, it's time to contact Ubisoft support. Provide them with detailed information about your error and all the troubleshooting steps you've already taken for quicker assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.